How to add a countdown timer using OBS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to your screen recordings or streams on OBS without having to download anything. We're just going to use OBS, and it's actually really easy. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply make sure we have the scene selected where we want the countdown timer. From there, just simply go down and select the plus symbol to add a source, and we're just going to add a text source. Once this loads, choose select font, and this is going to be what the actual countdown timer looks like. So select the font that you want for the countdown timer. It'll give you a little example so you can see what that looks like. Then just select OK. From there, select OK. And then now all we need to do to create our countdown timer is simply go up to Tools in OBS, then go to Scripts, make sure Scripts is selected and select the plus symbol. This will open up a folder on your computer where you already have the script downloaded because you have OBS installed. Select Countdown, and then over here, the duration of your countdown. I'm just going to use the default 5 minutes, and then select the drop-down source and select Text. If you don't see your text source here, restart OBS and then it will show up next time. Select that, then you can configure the final text that will be displayed once the countdown timer is over. And you can leave this window open because as you see, it's going to add the countdown timer there and it'll start counting. So whenever you want to start it, you can simply hide that text and then reset the timer and then show the text again, and then it will start whenever you want it to. So now you've added your timer and you have a countdown timer in OBS. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.